today. I am Hank Jugs Apprentice, and this is Mr. Tree. What do you do?
I'm a tree.
Yes. What do you do as a living? Do you cook?
No, I'm a tree.
What do you do?
I stand here like water and sunlight. That's all I do.
Well, do you have any hobbies? Do you like watching anything?
I like to stand.
What else do you like to do? Do you like watching anything?
I like watching the birds that land on my branches.
Do you give the birds anything?
No.
Do they give you anything?
Bird crap.
Well, you have a very boring life, don't you, Mr. Tree?
No, yes. I'm a tree.
Wow. Would you like a cigar, Mr. Tree?
I don't smoke. My mom says it's bad for you.
That doesn't sound right. Your mom seems to be like a really big bitch. Is that true?
My mom lives in Arkansas.
Would you like to say hi to your mother?
Hi, Mom. I love you.
That's very nice. So, do you like to go see any movies? How did you enjoy the new movie, In Shark's Water?
I can't go anywhere because I'm a tree.
What if we brought you a movie?
I can't see it because I don't have eyes.
Wow. Well, that about does it. Thank you very much, and have a nice day, Mr. Tree. We're going to quit now.
Please don't go.
We're going to go. Goodbye.
Please don't go.
Thank you.
I love you so much.
All right.
Please don't ever touch me this way, please.
That's enough.
No.
Enough.
Please
Enough.
stop. No.